She just did it off camera, guys. And then she told me to get my phone and take.
jeju ramen. I want that. Dot ramen. And I want this. Tangerines. There's a lot. He's everywhere.
Cute. He's everywhere.
Oh my gosh, this one's huge.
Ugh.
One shot only. Ooh, I like the shape of this one. Cheers.
Cheers. What is that?
That's delicious. It's so
God.
soft.
I never had an abalone before. I'm scared. Cheers. Okay. It's like a crab
Kind of.
or like a mussel.
This is like the biggest karetok I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's the biggest book I've ever seen. Look at how big this book is, guys. Cheers.
Mackerel.
That tastes so fresh. It tastes like the ocean. Actually.
Oh my god. This is the best pudding I've ever tasted.
Yeah. It's so clear though. I can see every pixel on your face. She bumped into a door, guys.
Stop.
Video from now on will be only 15 seconds. We only have 2 hours left on filming.
It is mochi mochi.
Oh, good though. Oh, that's good. What's the filling though?
Stop.
This one's cool, right? It looks good shape.
Can you just pick that? Show your carrot that you picked.
Oh, look at my carrot, guys. Why he built like that? You got a whole butt crack and everything.
You just went to go pick it.
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is it not cutting? Now I know.
Can I zoom in? Okay, chef.
Look at me go. Look at me crush these walnuts. Okay, walnuts.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Orange.
I want to eat it.
I know. It's so orange.
Using a whisk, gently stir so that you can. Nah, you gotta check this out.
Okay.
Baby carrot. What are we thinking, you guys?
Okay.
Looking
Oh,
so nice.
never doubt yourself.
Never tell yourself, guys, more of the story. You know Yangoon loves to cook, so you gotta put all of it.
Wait, that's good. That's so cute.
Okay. That was fun. I was scared at first, but especially because everything was self. All the tools were in the cabinet. You got to do everything yourself. But, you know, I used, the subtitles and just try to do it carefully with my hands. And it came out well.
Yeah, you did really well.
Yeah,
Just have to
came out well.
see how it tastes.
I have to go pet him. BRB.
Wait, what if he's mean?
Hi. Hi. He's kind of chained though, so I'm kind of scared. Hi. Hi. I'm kind of scared. It's a bait. He's a baiter. Hell no. Look at him. He's wagging his tail and shit. You almost got my ass.
Bye-bye, doggy.
I saw you chained. He got my heart rate going up a little. No, he actually got me. I'm not gonna lie.
His and hers.
Juice on the side. This is good.
Like sweet potato something. Oh, but it doesn't have it.
It doesn't have it right now. That's normal. Yeah. It's a big bottle. They're about to get finished.
Mushroom. How many shots do you think it is?
A lot. It's like 120 something shots. This bottle's huge. This is not the same as the other bottle.
You think so?
Can't be.
It smells insane.
Oh, this bite looks crazy. He's about to be buzzed. Cheers.
You know I like it.
많이 있으면 좀 질겨지는 걸 살짝 가르쳐 드릴게요.
Something like
뭐더 익히시면 맛있는
instant rice. Too much talking. Not enough drinking.
This is really what my fifth shot.
나물 없이.
Wow, I think it's 4. Because
Fourth of the bottle. Let me take my time. We're just getting started. For every bite, one shot.
that has not been the case. It's gone 3 bites of it.
How much is there?
I might have to put it in my backpack.
국물 위에 갓김치나 목살 집어먹는 일본식 내신자나 경매해 보시면 되겠습니다.
감사합니다.
한 입에 드시면 돼요.
와우. Wait, that's like.
Smells good.
bite. Good. First bite.
There's so much flavor. Like it's like that flavor.
The more you chew.
It tastes like this. Like, I don't even know how to explain it.
Why does it keep spawning?
Instant refilling it. Okay, but you haven't even drank it yet.
I just kind of feel it. 1 to 10 on like a 6. Pretty high, no? Because I've been drinking it so long.
You got a long way to go.
Am I right?
A little bit.
국물 위에 갓김치랑 목살 지방 부분 해보신 매실장.
I didn't know people here like sushi.
Man. The flavor you taste crazy.
Really? I thought it was just like America.
만나시면
6년 됐어요.
6년이요. 결혼하시면
아직이요. 25. 2000년생.
2000년
네. 네. 저보다 어려요.
좋으시세요?
한 8개월?
저보다 형님보다
아, 진짜요? Don't not surprised.
That's crazy.
I know yeah the word but I'm going 2001
Oh, 2000.
but the other customers say I look like 88, 89, yeah.
I would have guessed 25. I would have guessed at least the same age as us.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
You're gonna act surprised.
No, because like, oh my god, you're not even an insult.
Cheers.
Right after the picture.
Lock in, lock in.
You lock in. Guys, she said one bite every shot. When was the last time they went to it?
I've been drinking beer.
향이 좋으니까 한번 맡아보시면 잘 저어서 뭐든지를 한 번에 좀
I've been to that table. I wasn't even watching.
They sell
Yeah, so much Let's see how hot I look red. Let's see how hot the eggplant.
뭐 늦게 가시거나 뭐 점심이나 아침에
Eggplant.
Let me know. It's not steaming. I think I can eat it.
It's not hot at all.
I think you said just eat it with a spoon.
What is it?
It's tangerine or something.
Oh, it's like a noodle.
와사비 약 15차 드리고요. 바지가 굉장히 뜨거우니까 드실 때 조심하세요.
Kind of work.
Oh, that's so refreshing.
This is exactly what you said. I already ate it. It's okay.
She can make it.
Smells good.
It smells good.
Finally, some rice.
Some
Something to fill my
filler.
stomach. Thank you.
I feel like it's gonna be a little hot. Not hot?
Guys, I'm done with the appetizer. Bring on the real deal.
You know, I'm kind of full.
Actually, guys, I feel like if I got a Happy Meal and then like they gave me the apple slices and I just ate the apple slices.
Really? He cleared it. He did the dishes.
When you were gone, homie.
That's Walter.
When you were gone.
How did you even get it that clean? Look,
Guys, look how dumb she is, guys. Like, she's actually dumb. I'm with dumber.
You have to say I finished 50%.
50% if she drinks this one.
Yeah, I got this. Honestly, I can drink more. But there's just no food. We have to go.
Oh, yeah, this is.
Where?
Go get some.
You can't take the bottle though. Shucks. Darn. That's a full ass shot. That's a Yenna shot. But when I don't need a chaser for soju, I'll call myself an adult. But until then, I'm a baby.
Guys, I fear that she's actually becoming more Pablo. Today she ran into a glass door, and then like there's
No
three other
proof.
instances. But
No proof of that. What's the 3 other instances?
I just can't remember.
Yeah, because you're the This only comes out in April, he said. So it's... I forgot what he said. Where did you even hear that from? Where did you even learn
You're
that
actually Pablo, yeah. You're actually Pablo.
from? Punjab?
No. You, me, and Aiden stayed.
Oh, really?
Oh my god.
Really?
That's the most delicious tangerine.
I'm gonna eat the strawberry first then. I'm gonna be a little demure.
She's different.
I'm gonna have some class. See, I'm telling you, I can finish the whole bottle. You know what? Let me. Let me. That's like what? 3, 4 shots?
3 shots.
I can do it. I can do it.
You have no more chaser.
So I
I think you're fine.
no 5.6.
I think you're fine. That's not if you just don't feel it. Just
I don't think I'll throw up.
okay. As if you do have an Airbnb. I'm tired of cleaning for people.
To be fair, you never never cleaned up my throat. Clean up. Like, physically have to wipe. Let's be real.
No, she never threw up on the ground. Actually, she threw up on the ground, and she threw up in the toilet. I just wiped the toilet for her. That's it.
Okay. Okay,
What do you think it went? You think you perfectly landed it right in the middle?
I think I have perfect
No, no. There's not that. No.
Really?
Of course not.
I don't think I can do this.
Yeah, you're one more shot away.
Fuck,
2
I
shots.
can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Eat a.
No, I'm gonna down both shots and we have to go right away. But my problem is, what are we gonna do tomorrow with the food?
Nothing we can do. There's no store. As I said, you have to use your store sparing.
Bye, guys. Going home.
Dinner done. We'll go home.
Dinner done. Are you sure you're full?
Huh? Yeah, I'm okay. We'll eat again tomorrow. Don't worry about it.
Going home.